So what is the value of force over here? Value of force is BIA. BIA. What is the perpendicular distance? Perpendicular distance is this. What is this? We have this hypotenuse as b by 2. Then this will be the sine theta. Okay. We can write this perpendicular distance as b by 2 sine theta. Okay. So here we'll write b by 2 sine theta plus BIA. Once again the distance is same over here. Okay. The force is also same. So it will be b by 2 sine theta. Okay. So I can write it twice. It is BIA b by 2 sine theta. Okay. So this two will cancel. So ultimately what will be the value of torque? BIAB sine theta. Okay. Will this be my answer? Okay. What is A into B? What was the loop we had taken? Loop was this. This was A, this was B. What will be the area of this loop? It will be A into B. So here we have the thing A into B. So can I write it in this form? B into I A sine theta. Can I write it? Where A is the area. Okay. A is equals to area of loop is equals to A into B. Okay. Can I write it in this form? Okay. So what is this? It is magnetic moment. So can I write what is our magnetic moment? M. I can rearrange it. IAB sine theta. Here it will be magnetic moment. Okay, we are in scalar form into B sine theta. Okay, this will be our torque. So if I want to remove this sine theta, what can I do? I can make this cross product. You all know A cross B is equals to AB sine theta. So if it is AB sine theta, can I write A cross B? So here I can write torque is equals to M cross B, where M is the magnetic moment. Okay, I hope you all have got it. You can copy it very fast. Okay, this is very similar to what we had got in electric dipole moment or torque on electric dipole. If I write it over here, then it was tau is equals to P cross E, where P was the electric dipole moment and E was the electric field. Here we have got M is our magnetic dipole moment and B is our magnetic field. So it is very similar to what we had got in electrostatics. Okay, pop it fast. Okay, so copy it. So now, when will be the value of torque maximum? When will be the value of torque maximum? When theta will be maximum. Okay, what will the value of sine theta maximum? That is 1. When it will be 1? When theta equals to 90. Okay, when theta equals to 90, T will be maximum. Okay, when T will be minimum? When theta is equals to 0. When sine theta is equals to 0, it will be, the torque will be 0. That is the initial or the original condition where we have seen there was no torque. Okay, where is the book? Yes. Okay, the initial condition when the book was in, when the loop is in this form, there was no torque acting on it. Net force was also 0 and net torque was also 0. Means here there was no rotation. Means the theta was 0. So in that condition, when theta equals to 0, or also you can say when theta is equals to 180. Okay, in both conditions torque will be 0. Okay, torque will be equal to 0, or you can say minimum. Torque will be minimum. Okay, so from here there are two things. At 0 it was stable equilibrium, at 180 it is unstable equilibrium. Why? Because you have already rotated in whole direction, so it will try to reverse itself. Okay, so you can say it is unstable equilibrium at 180 degree. That is out of your syllabus, not required right now. Okay, now here one thing we have seen, that if there is only one loop, the current will be I. if suppose instead of one loop we take end loop. Okay, just a second. I hope you all have copied this. I'll rub this out. If there are n turns, okay, if there are n turns, then current will be equal to Ni. Okay, in one turn if the current is I, then for n turns current will be Ni. So here from everywhere I can, instead of I need to put Ni. So torque will be equals to, I'll put it in this formula, okay, or I can put in this, okay, is equals to N I A B sine theta. Okay, this will become the formula if it is for number of turns. There are n number of turns, or I can also write T equals to M cross B. Okay, M cross B, where M will be equals to N I A. Okay, M equals to N I A, that is N I into A. Okay, I hope this much is very clear to you. Current into area. Okay, so this completes our topic, and almost the chapter, only one topic is left for the chapter. So till then, keep studying. Have a nice day. Thank you, students.